I just asked if I could go into the main car park, if there's just, because I'm on my own, just one bike, and I can slot in. There we go. So I'm just going to have a walk around the car park and film some of the bikes. It's really busy tonight, as you can see, but let's get going. Nice Kawasaki, some old ones tonight, an old 900, look, beautiful. That looks all original. Another one there, Quack 250. That's the one my brother had. Nice bobber. Another one next door, very nice. When you see the old ones in perfect condition, look at that, that's all original. 3.5 Marini, 3.5. Look at that. Some places do like weekly bike meets. I guess that thins it out a bit, but at least you relied on a big turnout when it's just once monthly. I do like the colour scheme on the Z900. I think there's a red one as well, and is there a green one? There's the 2.5 litre Rocket. He was here before, seen that one before. And the CCM. Look at the gold wheels, very nice. Of gentlemen looking at that GSX 1400 there. That's a nice bike, isn't it? That 1400. You don't see. Yeah, you don't see many of these. It's a K1, so it's the first one that was built. The muscle bike, the 1400. So these are getting more rarer and rarer. Obviously, it went to 2006, and then they stopped making them. So if you've got a K1, keep hold of it. It will start to go up in value. First Royal Enfield I've seen, Himalayan. So I think bikes are just starting to leave now. So I should film some going out. Has it been coated with that ceramic coating for the chrome? You just.
I've never done it unless.
How'd you clean it? What with?
Nothing special.
What? Very liquid?
Oh no, no.
Very nice.
Empty. Just grow from strength to strength, really.
Yeah.
It don't matter what you ride, just get down here.
A lot of Triumphs here.
Indeed, yeah. I mean, that's right, but there's loads of stuff.
Do like the scrambler. I was filming him, but when you fired up, he's been gazumped. Nice bikes, guys. Ducati 916, very nice. Very nice, very nice. I thought it weren't going to start then. Have a good ride back. Sun's finally coming out as it's sunset, but yeah, the bike's thinning out now, as you can see. So these are all the stragglers. They're getting a full Triumph experience. A couple of nice bikes here, look, very nice. Yeah. For the batteries are going. Have a safe journey back.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
See ya. See you then. See ya. Because you see a bike that you like, you speak to the owner, you find out what niggles are, pros and cons, and yeah. He just wants to get on the camera, doesn't he? See ya. See ya. You'll break the microphone. So it looks like I'm the last one to leave again, but this bunch of bikes is worth waiting for. Well, it appears I'm probably one of the only ones left in the car park.
More dedicated to the
Yeah,
art than
no, we've got, oh, I forgot the name.
Bandit Man.
Bandit Man UK.
Yeah.
Is it UK at the end?
Yeah, it is, I'm afraid.
So
yeah.
two very humble, get this camera on, two very humble YouTubers making interesting content for us, the motorcycling community. We have actually chatted on YouTube before, just sending messages, but what's your first name?
I'm Richard.
So it's Richard, and he knows I'm Dad, so it's the first time we've sort of met each other, but it's just nice to meet somebody else that's like, you know, providing good content for people, the motorcycling
we try.
community. Yeah, we try and do our best.
Yeah, we do,
Have you had a
yeah.
good night tonight, guys?
Yeah, it's been good. Yeah, been
Yeah.
Good turnout considering the weather, hasn't it?
It's fantastic.
Considering we were getting wet on the way here.
Yeah, be better going than it was coming, I imagine. But yeah, nice to meet you.
Okay, nice to meet you.
See you guys. Safe journey back.
All right.
Yeah, look at that. Everyone's gone. Thoroughly enjoyed that. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, just give it a thumbs up. Really appreciate if you do. It takes a while to edit. And only subscribe if you like the content. Check out some of my other content. It's a bit of a variety. If you came to the bike night tonight, maybe drop a comment. Did you see your bike? Do you like the bike night at Triumph headquarters Hinckley? Is it a good event for you? What do you like about it? Alright, take care for now, guys. Ride safe. See you soon. Bye bye for now.